Alright, hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have
Merlin.
Her name will appear right here. Follow her on Instagram. Give her some love.
Yeah.
Yeah? You have Instagram, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so today she's going to be guessing the price. Oh, ugly thing. Got two ugly. Look, man, I found two of these.
There's ice cream.
Ice cream, where? Oh, outside. Bruh, I thought there was ice cream upstairs. She said it's outside. I don't want to pay for no goddamn ice cream. Alright, so today she's going to be guessing the price of my makeup and eating at the same time because she's cute. Hey girlfriends, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to start talking.
Let's walk.
We're going for a walk?
Monday, Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesday. They go.
Clearly, I have no idea what I'm talking about. Alright, bye guys. So for the first product, I'm just going to put the real price on the screen and then whatever she guesses, you guys will hear. How much do you think this is? This is the MAC Prep and Prime Setting Spray.
Like $35 to $40.
Oh. Next we have the Bobbi Brown Bronzer. How much do you think this is?
That's like $45 to $50.
She got another one. No.
I'm like pro at this.
What about the Mario Badescu Empty Spray Bottle? Because I didn't have another one to compare to.
Like $25 to $30.
She got one wrong, finally. This is $7.90.
What?
And it's so good, and it's good for your skin. I'm gonna put some on right now.
Oh my god.
Sorry to eat and being rude. She put some on after you're done eating. Alright. Next we have the H&M Bronzer. What you think?
Bronzer?
H&M Bronzer.
H&M.
H&M. So you know what that is. That's cheating.
Like $15 to $20.
Oh, wow. The points are just going to be on the screen because I have to look up this one. So, like, I got this on clearance, so I kind of have to look up the price, yeah. So I'll tell you when I'm done editing the video, I'll show you if you want to. So this is the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. How much do you think that is?
That's like $40 to $50.
You hear that, e.l.f.? You have a product that costs $40 to $50.
Yeah, this type of makeup is very expensive.
Yeah, you lost. It's like $7. It's really
What?
good. Yeah.
$7?
Yes, honey.
Oh my god, I forgot e.l.f. is at Target, and Target.
That's cheating. Don't think about that. All right.
I'm
Next
so
we have
dumb.
the Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. What do you think?
Can I like explore?
Yes, do what you gotta do. Don't touch because your hands are dirty, but do what you gotta do with your nose and face. Give you a brush.
24. I think this is like, I don't even know, like $25 to $35.
Oh my god, it's $10, literally $9.99.
What?
And it's really good. I actually want to put some on right now. But she's gonna do my makeup in a different video, so
Go check that out, guys. Better not miss out.
link will be
You
down below.
fellas.
Down below. So this is a loose setting powder by Maybelline. How much do you think this
Stop.
finely milled-ish costs?
$15.
Ooh. Guess we'll find out if you're right or not. I don't remember. What about this foundation? I know how much this one costs. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. Looks brand new, like I didn't even use it yet. 'Cause I only used it a handful of times.
Just like $30.
$30.
Probably less, like 25.
Probably less, like 25.
How much is it?
$5.99. Or like a little bit different.
How am I getting them all wrong? And at the beginning of the video, I was getting it all right.
Yeah, that happens to people
just
like
whacked
us.
me with
I'm
your hand.
sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna turn a little bit. All right, next we have the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer Stick. We all know what that looks like. How much do you think this costs? So pretty and heavy and big. So I have a couple products of each kind of product, so she can guess like high-end stuff versus low-end stuff. And so far, she thinks the low-end stuff is high-end, so she out here. You guys out here doing good.
$15.
Ooh, I wish it was $15.
$35.
No.
What?
29 or 26.
That was close.
I think I paid 29 for this one, but it came with a sponge.
It came with a
Next,
sponge?
yeah, it's a purple sponge too. It's pretty cool. It's not as good as the regular sponge though. Next, we have the Becca Sunlight Shimmering Skin Highlight Shit. You know, the crayon highlighter. I don't know if I've used this on my channel yet. How much do you think this cost?
Wait, what is it?
Highlighter stick. Yeah, I felt it. I was like, damn, that shit tickled.
Highlighter stick?
Yeah.
$25.
Okay, I guess we'll find out. And for the Milani Liquid Lip.
Melania.
Oh, damn, she knows the brand.
That's my sister's name.
Oh, that's Madly in Love. I love the freaking name of it.
$10.
$10. That actually might be right. Then again, I wouldn't have so many shades if it was $10. That's a lot of money. Alright.
Like
next
10
we
and
have-
15 because the Victoria's Secret lip gloss is $10.
Okay. Next we have the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour ink shit. How much do you think that costs?
What is it?
It's a matte lipstick.
Like $15.
Okay.
You don't know?
I don't know. Next we have the Pro Conceal Concealer. I shouldn't have told her the prices to some, so because she would be confused. How much do you think this concealer cost? I don't think anybody on the planet would get this one right though. So.
$35.
Yo, LA girl, $35. Raise that price. $3.99.
What?
Yeah. $3.99. All right. Or you could probably find it for $2.99 too. So next we have
I'm so
the
mad.
Ariana. They're Ariana. Actually, I don't want to tell her what name it is. This is the Fenty Beauty Foundation by somebody. How much does it cost? Pretty heavy, no? She's like, she's tricky. I hate this.
Wait, what is this? What is this?
It's a foundation.
$35, $40.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
I think it was 40. I think it was 40. At least it was a piece of this and not avocado.
Right.
Alright. She said $30. Oh my god, you guys saw me swatch the concealer. I just put it straight onto my pants. That's amazing.
What is it?
What? The price?
price.
I don't know, I forgot. I think you're right though. Next we have the Clinique foundation. So I gave her a couple of different ranges to guess from. Clinique.
Yeah, that's like $45.
Wow. Doubled the price. I like that. This was 30 bucks, I think. 29. I don't really like it that much. It says it's full coverage. Whatever. Next we have a MAC lipstick in the shade brown. Just kidding. In the shade Antique Velvet. Oh. This is the lipstick Roger got me for my birthday. I love you. Well, how much you think that costs, girl?
$25.
Wow. I kind of want to wear this right now. We'll give you this one to put on me. Oh no, that's going to be way too hard to take off. Next we have the Instant Age Rewind Concealer by Maybelline. What you think, girl?
$20, $25.
20 to 25?
No, that's like $15.
$9.98. They sell this at Target. I should have put like nasty juice in there that she has to drink every time she got it wrong. It would have been funnier.
More of a challenge.
So
You need to
that's
tell me where you get it from.
all.
Can you tell me where you get it from, or else I'm getting all these wrong?
No, that's cheating. 'Cause if I would have told you that this was Rihanna's foundation, you would have put the price up.
No, I
You know what I
wouldn't.
mean? Whatever.
I knew it was Rihanna too.
So lastly, we have primers. So we're gonna do the Tatcha Luminous Silk. How much you think that costs, girl? No
What is
swatching.
it? What is it?
Primer for your face. Smells very good.
$75.
Ooh, I like that highball.
Probably a little more. How
Mmm,
much is it?
60. I'll probably give it to you. Next, we have the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Lock. A lot of
I'm
words.
actually kind of in love with this. It's
Right?
beautiful packaging.
And the box is up there.
Beautiful packaging, and it smells delicious. Like, I'll literally eat this.
We're gonna use that today to see if my freaking
Oh!
skin stops being crazy.
What happens if it, I'm not going to do it, but what happens if it, like, is it like soaky or like, oh,
It comes with a little thing. You're not supposed to put your hands in there. I'll show you. It's even cuter.
And what is this?
It's another primer by L'Oreal.
And what does it do?
Oh, same thing as this. Keeps your oil away. Or at bay for being sophisticated.
$20.
Wow, I would never pay $20 for a drugstore primer.
No!
But I don't know how much it costs, so we will find out later. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. What was this? Thank you so much for
Guessing.
watching her Guess My Makeup Prices and her little mukbang that she just had. Let us know how you say it.
Mukbang.
Mukbang.
Comment down below how you say M-U-K.
That'll be right on the screen, mukbang. Let us know how you say that, because we've been arguing about that all day.
Yeah. Literally. Okay, yeah. Stay tuned for the video coming up.
Blindfolded makeup challenge. It'll be linked down below.
Anyways, peace guys. Subscribe. Oh shoot. Subscribe to this channel and follow my Instagram. It's with the Z, Merlin with 2 N's at the end. Okay.